What's good? What's good? What's good, family? It is your brother Yusuf, and I want to thank everybody for stopping in, checking me out today. We are trying something a little bit new, as you can see with the setup. So, as I continue to figure out the programming platform, family, things will change. I need you guys to comment on, what aesthetic you like, what is pleasing to you guys, what type of information you want to hear, what type of information you need to help you guys get over that hump. So, with that being said, family, let's get it started. Family, are you ready to unlock the secrets to passive income and financial freedom? Well, welcome to the Legacy Builders. I'm your brother Yusuf Freemanel, and today I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $900 a day, which is 2 to 3 hours of work. Stick around, family. This could literally change your life.
There go your rent, oh yeah. Earning with Yusuf, $6 to crack. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
Let's face it, most of us are stuck in the 9 to 5 grind, trading time for money, feeling overworked and underpaid. Maybe you've tried network marketing, side hustles, or even starting your own business, but nothing seems to work. Family, I know that you're dreaming of financial freedom, but you have no idea of where to start. Does that sound familiar? Well, that's where Legacy Builders program comes into play. I've definitely been there before, family. In comes the solution: digital marketing. Imagine this. You wake up to notifications on your phone. Ding! Sales are rolling in while you sleep. You're earning $900 a day, working just a few hours, and living life on your terms. Does that sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. With the Legacy Builders program, family, it's your all-in-one solution to creating passive income online. There's no tech skills, no experience, and no following required. Just follow our proven blueprint, and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Exactly how does it work? Well, step one, you get started by choosing one of our digital programs that fits your goals. We actually have 4 to choose from. You get instant access to our step-by-step training in our amazing community. Step 2, family, you're going to learn how to launch your daily pay business. We'll show you exactly where and how to post ads on high-traffic classified websites for free, and how to create content that drives tons of traffic to your automated system. Step 3, simply start earning passive income. Imagine making money on autopilot while you focus on the things that you love, family. That's the power of automation and the Legacy Builders program. So exactly what's inside of the Legacy Builders program? Let's break it down. You'll get a pre-built website and an automated system so you can start earning right away. Family, you're going to get step-by-step video training and live mentoring to guide you every single step of the way. You're going to get proven strategies for social media, ads, and email marketing to grow your business fast. And you're going to have access to a supportive community of like-minded individuals who are all working toward the same goal. Family, this program has everything you need in order to succeed. Here are just a few of our success stories. Take a look at Melissa, $600 sale from her live. Allison, holy freaking guacamole, $17,800 is what I've made since the week before Christmas. Mr. Tim Hess, 13 out of the last 14 days have been over $1,000 a day. And then lastly, Miss Shirley, achievement unlocked, $10,400 in just 23 days. So family, this is the real deal. If you are looking for an actual program that's going to teach you the skills that you need in order to be successful online, Legacy Builders is exactly what you're looking for. So we have a few more bonuses, family. Let's talk about what those bonuses are. First off, you're going to get access to the digital growth community where you can connect with other members and get live support. Family, this community is about 48,000 people strong, all working toward the same goal. You're going to get a Canva Crash Course that's going to help you create stunning content in just minutes. You're going to get access to our $1 million in 17-month blueprint, which gives you the exact steps that Coach Michelle used to achieve massive success in just 17 months. Family, you're going to get so much more. These bonuses are designed to fast track your success and to help you achieve your goals faster than ever. So family, if you are ready to transform your life, here's what I need you to do. I need you to visit the link below to join the Legacy Builders program today. For one-time cost and no monthly fee, you're going to get instant access to our pre-built websites, step-by-step training, and all the tools you need to start earning today. Don't wait, family. Your dream life is just one click away. So family, in conclusion, your dream life can literally start today. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Click the QR code to join Legacy Builders program now and take the first step toward financial freedom. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is action. So what are you waiting for, family? Let's do this. All right. So I hope everybody has a fantastic day. I want to thank you guys for checking out the short presentation. Family, if you have any questions, do me a favor. I need you to visit www.earnwithyusuf.com. Drop in your best email address, watch the short 13-minute video, and shoot me an email if you have any questions. Holla at your boy. Have a great day. Peace.